Alright, I'm just trying to show some people that have these issues with your system after you install your system on a different car. I've been getting the pop sound out of my stops after I shut off the car or the entire system. I'm gonna show you right now. Heard that noise? I've been getting it every time. I try different things. I replace the RCAs. I replace the a different set. I tried different set of RCAs and it's not working. I tried the little this little thing. Sorry, I hope you can see it. It's to convert 12 volts into 6 volts, but I'm still getting the same pop out of after I shut off the music. What I figured out with my car, I mean, maybe somebody else get the same result, is before I shut off the entire music, I just take the face off right there. I didn't got no pop out of the subs at all, and then I shut off the entire thing. See, no pop. Turn it back on, put the face on again. I get no pops coming out of the music whatsoever. Alright, I hope this helps others that have these issues that, you know, can't figure it out. I couldn't figure it out, so I just decided to just remove the face, you know, just pop it out and see what happens, and there we go, it works for me. Alright, thanks.